20 years ago, a 12-year-old girl Suzuki told world leaders at Rio to stop breaking the planet. Did you listen to her? And are you going to listen to young people like me now?
What is happening is that science is even showing that we may even have entered a new geological era, the Anthropocene, where humans are the main drivers of change at a planetary scale.
Our question to you is, it's not difficult to see that the economic issue is more important than the environmental one. Do you think this is only going to be reversed when the whole planet collapses?
And all over the world we can see inspiring examples of sustainable local initiatives. So my question to you is, how can we act on a global political scale to implement these initiatives worldwide?
Let me just stress that all the countries of the planet win if you come up with the right solutions. They all lose if you don't.
When I'm your age, there will be 9 billion people on the Earth. How can the planet support this population when we are using up all its resources?
It's very important that the outcome statement from Rio recognises the links between population, consumption and sustainable development.
Why have most efforts to reduce CO2 emission levels been ineffective, and how can we succeed in reaching our targets?
There is still time to act, although the window of opportunity is rapidly closing. But I remain an optimist. I trust that science, common sense and our universal ethical values will ultimately prevail. There are technological solutions to the problem at hand, and that the cost of taking the necessary measures to achieve the 2 degrees goal is relatively small, namely of the order of only 1 or 2% of global GDP.
So my question to you is, what role can cars have in a future sustainable city?
What do you have to do to make the environmental and sustainable values take part of daily basic lives of students, teachers and the school itself?
Since the last Rio Earth Summit, the world has changed. So how will Rio Plus 20 benefit the world and its environment?
We need to direct our investments towards poverty reduction, education, low-carbon technological innovations, and careful stewardship of the ecosystems on which we all depend.
Youth are often the first to stand for principles and against injustice. Youth is a time of idealism. Young people are a force for transformation.
Are you going to listen to young people like me now?